Yep, the that's a Z06.
That's a Z06.
They're 670 horsepower. My car is actually quicker 0 to 60, but his top speed is higher.